Let's learn about NULS, a platform with adaptive solutions for businesses and blockchain developers. NULS is a platform fostering a customizable blockchain infrastructure. This infrastructure has ease of use and rapid development at its core. The aim is to break the technical barriers of blockchain, and the hope is that NULS will reduce development costs and hiring requirements for businesses. NULS entered the public eye in September 2017. Instead of raising funds in more traditional ways, 40% of the initial supply of NULS coins were distributed to users of the Binance Exchange platform in late 2017. The main network of NULS went live during summer of 2018. The main blockchain network uses a unique consensus mechanism called proof of credit. This mechanism works similarly to proof of stake. Users need to lock up a certain number of NULS coins in order to run a network node. The amount required to run a node is set by community consensus, and if a user decides to stop running a node, they can immediately unlock and access their NULS coins. As a platform, NULS offers a toolkit that aims to streamline blockchain for developers and businesses. Chainbox provides developers with an extensive suite of tools used to build highly customized blockchains by choosing modules from a common repository. Chain Factory provides a graphical user interface to create a new blockchain easily, with custom options and parameters for the new chain. NULS SCO allows NULS-based projects to issue and distribute new crypto assets safely to NULS holders with the help of the proof of credit consensus mechanism. You're watching the video channel of MarketSquare, the new homepage for the decentralized web. Follow us and subscribe, join our Discord, and get your free account at marketsquare.io. See you next time.